Every day is a world where we revolve with science and mathematics. Have you ever tried sitting on a seesaw? Have you ever thought the needed weight to make it balance?
Or did you lose on a rock, paper, scissors game? Do you know how to maximize your chances of winning? Or have you ever wondered why there is a changes in demand and supply? Do you want to know the quantity or price? Hence, Kramer's rule is the best fit to your curiosity.
Cramer's rule is a method used to solve systems of linear equations. It's particularly useful for systems with a unique solution. The rule expresses the solution in terms of determinants, which are numbers calculated from square matrices.
Is named after the Swiss mathematician Gabriel Kramer, who published the rule for an arbitrary number of unknowns in 1750. Kramer's rule is best suited for small systems of linear equations, provide a direct and systematic approach to solving linear equation systems. So, let's relate the problem to industrial engineering. Here's the problem. The smart building in Eastern Visayas State University has two phases, the foundation and framing. So the total project time is 60 days. The engineer said that the framing phase took 10 days, longer than twice the time of the foundation phase. So let's identify how many days it should take for the framing and foundation day. So using the Kramer's rule, let the F represent the duration of the foundation days, and let R represent the duration of the framing phase. So our equations are, number 1, F plus R is equals to 60, which is the total project time. Number 2, R is equals to 2F plus 10, which is the framing time to the foundation time. So let's equate the number 2, which is negative 2F plus R is equals to 10. Now, we can represent this as a matrix equation. So D is equals to 1, 1, negative 2, 1.
Since we have now the matrix, we're going to find its determinants. So D is equal to 1 times 1 minus negative 2 times 1. So the determinant is equal to 3. Similarly, we find the determinant for y by replacing the second column with the constants. So dy is equal to 1, 60, negative 2, 10. To get dy is equal to 1 times 10 minus negative 2 times 60. So determinant of y is equal to 130. Now, we can solve for x and y. So, x is equal to dx over d. 50 divided by 3 is equal to 17. Then solving for y is equal to dy over d. 130 divided by 3 is equal to 43. Therefore, the foundation phase took approximately 17 days and the framing phase took approximately 43 days. The total is approximately 60 days.
Therefore, by applying Kramer's rule to these areas, industrial engineers can make data-driven decisions, improve operational efficiency, and reduce costs. Its ability to solve systems for linear equations efficiently makes it a valuable tool for addressing complex industrial engineering challenges.